So ladies, this is gonna be our last call. I don't know if you want something.
Well, wherever I end up, I'm not going to because I'm so I'm okay with whatever. Just remember we all have to go back and shower.
Sip it. Just sip the taste. It's really good. I'll sip a little bit. It's